Hello students, today we will do your exercise 2.1. Its first question is solve x minus 2 is equal to 7. In this question we want to find the value of x, means we will solve this question for x. We have x minus 2 is equal to 7. We want that only x should be on the left side of this equation. So what we can do, we will want to reduce this minus 2 from here. So how can we reduce this? By adding 2. So by adding 2 to the both sides, we get x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7, means 7 plus 2. 2 cuts with 2, that is x. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, which is the required solution. Means for x is equal to 9, this equation is true. It is the x equal to 9 is the solution of this equation. And the second question is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. We want to solve this for x. We have 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17. We want to reduce this 3 upon 7 from the left side. So how can we reduce this? We will transpose this to the right side. Transpose means we will change its side. By transposing 3 by 7 to right hand side, we get x is equal to 7 upon 17 upon 7 is already here, and reduce and transpose 3 by 7 here. 3 by 7 is positive number here, and when we will change its side, it will be a negative number. That is 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Now we will take the LCM of both the denominators, that are 7, 7. The LCM is 7. Now we will solve this. LCM is 7. So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. And 1 into 17. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 3. That is 7 into 1 is equal to 17. 17 into 1 is equal to 17. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 upon 7. Now 17 minus 3 is equal to 14 upon 7. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. X is equal to 2, which is the required solution. Means the value of x is 2. And the third question is solve 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. We have 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. We want to remove this 3 from this side. So how can we want to remove firstly this 2 from the left side. So how can we reduce this? By dividing 2 on both sides. Dividing both sides by 2, we get 2x upon 3 into 1 by 2. 18 upon 2. 2 cancels with 2. 2 cancels with 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. X into 1 is equal to x. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 9 upon 1, that is 9. Now we want to remove this 3 from left side. So how can we remove this? Multiplying by 3. Now multiplying both sides by 3, we get x upon 3 into 3, 9 into 3. That is 3 cuts with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. And 9 into 3 is equal to 27. So x is equal to 27, which is the required solution of this equation. And the fourth question is solve x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. We have x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Now firstly we will transpose this 1 to the right side. Transposing 1 to the right side, we get x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1. Here 1 is in positive, and when we will change its side, it will be a negative number. Now we will take the LCM. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So LCM of 15 and 1 is equal to 15. Now we will solve this. 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. So 1 into 7. And 15 divided by 1 is 15 into 1, that is 15. Now 7 into 1, 7, minus 15 into 1, 15 upon 15. X equal to 3 is equal to. Now x upon 3 as it is. 7 minus 15 plus minus minus, and it is 8, and it is of subtraction, means a negative number, that is minus 8 upon 15. Now we want to remove this 3 from here. So how can we remove it? We will multiply both sides by 3. So multiplying both sides by 3, that is, we get x upon 3 into 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 15 into 3. 3 cuts with 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So x is equal to minus 8 upon 5, which is the required solution of this equation. With this, you can complete your exercise 1.1.